Thank you very much for stopping by the Random Green channel. Today I wanted to talk about the birds don't even love Random Green. Now, I'm not going to say woe is me and woe is this channel, but you know what? People don't flock to the channel. Say, for example, I'll give you an example. When I go out to my balcony here and my patio, or whatever you want to call it, and the birds are sitting out there, they fly away. So even the birds don't even like me. Why? What's going on with you viewers, huh? I know I get millions and millions of emails and millions of comments, millions and millions of everything. Wait, no, just kidding. Yeah, but even the birds don't even like me. I don't blame them. I mean, no, the Random Green channel is a good channel, and I want you to realize that the Random Green channel, the Random Green TV YouTube channel, where there's podcasts, live streams, and random videos. Yes. I was thinking about making a video where I would have one section and then I would slow it down, and it would be like a 5-hour upload, 5-hour video, or 6-hour video, or 7-hour, or maybe even, I think you can upload up to like, I know the other videos are like 37 hours. There's an upload of 37 hours. But there is an upload of like 12, there's a 12-hour video of like water dripping from the sink, and it's just like one little small thing of water, little drop. And they uploaded it in like 12 hours. Slowed it down. So, no, I'm not going to do that. All right. Thank you for stopping by this random channel. Hope to see you next time. Maybe, maybe not. All right.